Assalamualaikum. Hi, brothers and sisters, and welcome back to Learning with Abi and Ummi. In the previous video, you learned two prepositions in Arabic known as huruful jar, fi and ala. You learned their meanings and the fundamental rules between the preposition and the noun that follows it. Now we are going to learn a special type of noun, one that doesn't accept tanwin at the end. We will focus on the first category of these nouns today. Alright, let's look at the names on the screen. I'm going to read the list on the right and then the list on the left.
Muḥammadun, Khālidun, Ḥāmidun, Yāsirun, Ammarun, Sa'īdun, Aliyyun, Abbāsun, Āminatu, Zaynabu, Fāṭimatu, Maryamu, aṣ-ṣarf, Khadijatu, Safiyatu, Ruqayyatu.
Did you notice a very specific sound pattern at the end of every name? The list in the right column consists of masculine names. All these names end with Tanwin. The list in the left column contains feminine names. Notice that none of them end with Tanwin. This is our core material for today. Most feminine proper names in Arabic are not accept Tanwin or Diptote. In Arabic, we call them Ghayru Munṣarif or Mamnu' Minas Sarf. So, to quickly recap, you learned the most feminine proper names are Diptote, meaning no Tanwin, while the rules we covered today are the default and core foundation. There are indeed a few exceptions. Some feminine names accept Tanwin and some masculine names act like Diptotes or don't accept Tanwin. We will cover these in a future lesson. Quiz time. To ensure you're fully understood, I have a quick question. What is the Arabic term for a noun that doesn't accept Tanwin? Let me know your answer in the comment below. If this lesson helped you, please support us by hitting like button and of course subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you catch the next lesson where we cover the proper name exception rule. Thanks so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum.